In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Zoho Books. Whether you're working with international clients or simply prefer to operate in a different language, customizing your Zoho Books templates can make all the difference. Let's dive right into the process so you can start creating documents that meet your specific needs. First, we need to head over to the Settings section. This is your control center for customizing all sorts of aspects in Zoho Books. Once you're in Settings, look for PDF templates under the Customization section. This is where we're going to manage how your documents appear in different languages. Now, if you're aiming to create a new template that supports multiple languages, this next part is for you. Locate and click on the plus New button. You'll see an option to select a template that fits your usual style and document requirements. Once you've made your selection, it's time to choose your preferred language from the Template Language drop-down menu. This step is critical because it sets the foundation for your multilingual template. By selecting a language here, you're telling Zoho Books that you want all your subsequent PDFs, such as invoices and quotes, to be generated in this language. Don't forget to save your new template. This action ensures that your settings are locked in and ready for use. Now, let's say you already have an existing template, but you need it in a different language. Open up the template you want to modify. Once it's open, you'll need to manually update the text fields. This means replacing every bit of text in the current language with the desired one. While this might sound a bit daunting, especially if you're dealing with a lot of text, it's a straightforward process. Just take it one field at a time. This manual update allows you to fine-tune each section of your template to ensure precision and maintain your unique tone and style. Double-check your work to ensure accuracy, and remember to save your changes once you've translated everything to your satisfaction. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing languages in Zoho Books. Whether you're creating a brand new multilingual template or updating an existing one, this process ensures that your business communications are as inclusive and versatile as possible. Tailoring your documents in this way not only streamlines your operations, but also enhances the professional readability of your interactions with international clients. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Zoho Books language customization. Feel free to comment below with any questions you might have or tips you'd like to share with the community. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy customizing, and see you in the next video.